Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So join me today. Let's make some healthy suji cookies or semolina cookies. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and share. So guys, to make these suji cookies or biscuits, these are the ingredients which you are going to be needing. I have here my semolina, I have egg, butter, white powdered sugar, vanilla essence, milk, cornstarch, baking powder and salt. So start by adding your milk into your mixing bowl. Add your 2 cups of semolina. Then use your spatula to mix it and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. So while waiting for your suji to rest for 10 minutes, take out a mixing bowl or a plate. Then crack your egg, pour the egg into your mixing plate, add in your unsalted butter. After you are done adding your unsalted butter, then go ahead and add in your white powdered sugar, add a few drops of vanilla essence, then use your whisk to start mixing. So after mixing for some time, go ahead and add your cornstarch, then continue mixing with your whisk until your butter mixture becomes smooth. So once you are done mixing your butter mixture, go ahead and pour it in your soaked suji. Then use your hand to start mixing it. And the reason why I'm using my hand to mix my dough is to make sure there is no lumps in it. You can also use a spatula to mix your own. So after mixing your dough for some time, go ahead and add your salt and your baking powder, then continue mixing. So right now I'm going to switch to using my spatula to mix my dough since there is no lumps in it again. Continue mixing until there is no lumps in your dough again. So after mixing your dough for some time and your dough is still watery like mine, you can add more cornstarch, suji or all-purpose flour. So for mine, I'm gonna be using like 3 to 4 spoons of all-purpose flour to thicken my dough. So continue mixing until you get a soft and perfect dough for your cookies. So after you are done mixing your dough, go ahead and divide the dough into 2. Then transfer one portion of the dough on your baking sheet. Make sure you are using baking sheet so that your dough will not stick to the surface when you are trying to flatten it. You can flatten your dough with your palm, or you can also use a rolling pin to flatten your dough like I'm doing in this video. So after you are done flattening your dough, use any cookie shaper of your choice to cut your cookies. So because I want my cookies to be in a round shape, I'm going to be using a big water bottle cover to cut my cookies. You can also use a cookie cutter if you have any at home. Continue repeating the same process until you finish cutting all the cookies. So after you're done cutting your cookies, arrange them on your baking tray for baking. So once you are done arranging your cut cookies on your baking tray, then use a fork or a toothpick to prick the cookies. Continue repeating the same process as I'm doing in this video until you finish everything. So next, preheat your oven for at least 10 to 15 minutes before transferring your cookies to bake for at least 20 to 25 minutes. So 25 minutes later, take out your cookies from the oven. You can also bake your cookies until they start turning golden brown like mine. So after you're done baking your cookies, let it cool down for like 30 minutes or more. Then after that, you can go ahead and enjoy your cookies. Please guys, if you like this recipe, don't forget to like and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker. See you guys on my next video. Bye.